Welcome to the next unboxing, everyone. Appreciate you guys. Here we go. Let's get started with a red apple vampire crab. Alright, up next we have some blue tetras, also called the Cochin's Tetra. Blue tetra. Alright, here we have some Scarlet Batis that are really cold. Let me get them heated up. Nice little nano fish. Scarlet Batis. Alright, so here in the background we have our 300-gallon indoor pond with our giant pothos and monstera and a bunch of other plants and some big anubias in there. And we got some special locally bred koi babies that the parents originally came from Hoshi Koi, so they were imported originally from Japan. So these are tank raised here, or pond raised, tank raised here in Washington. So I'm excited to have those, kind of growing them out for the spring, having fun. Feeding them 20 times a day. There's also a nice shabunkin in there also. Alright, I'm going to get started with some the next fish here. And 1 second. That would be female koi betta. Got some yellow on it. Oh, come on, focus. Wow. There's another female koi betta. Really nice maroonish color. We'll show one more example of female koi betta. They all are different, not one is the same. Come check out our bettas in our 55-gallon aquarium. Lots and lots of neon tetra. Starfire glow angelfish. Here we have some gold Chinese algae eaters. And here we have Siamese algae eaters. Albino African dwarf frogs. Sorry, albino. Alright, here's a fish we've never brought in before. Love bringing in new stuff. It's been in a while since we brought something brand new. these beautifuls are a fish you've probably never even heard of or seen before. These are featherfin pearlfish killifish. Featherfin pearlfish killifish. They are really nice. Okay, here's another new fish we've never brought in before. Okay, these are orange fin Flammacomantis killifish. We finally got some of my favorite tetras back in. Some beautiful, lovely, long fin Congo tetra. Really nice, healthy ones. White butterfly juvenile discus. Another white butterfly juvenile discus. Red snakeskin starburst discus. Red snakeskin starburst discus. Have a turquoise discus. Juvenile. Really popular here is our beautiful yellow panda or yellow pigeon blood discus. Juvenile. Another yellow pigeon blood discus. Alright, we like to bring in weird oddball stuff, so got something here for brackish aquariums. These are hog choker, flounder, sole basically. These are brackish and they're smaller, they're really small. But we do have some cool brackish stuff here. Here's one of those oddballs to put in there. Alright, so I did want to mention next week is going to be a big unboxing because I'm restocking the tanks after the holidays, which is really good. We got wiped out pretty hard. Sold a lot of fish that's been around here for a minute. I mean, obviously we still have our exotic monster fish. Still have quite a bit here, but I'm trying to really restock the store up. So because of New Year's and the holidays, shipping has been kind of delayed until next week, so we'll do just stay tuned for a big unboxing for next week. But here, last but not least, this is really hard for me to find. I've been pronouncing them wrong. They're called Denison barb, but they are the roseline sharks. These ones, guys, stunning, beautiful, large size. These are 3+ inches. Every time I bought 1 inch, 2 inch, they haven't done really well. These guys are well over 3 inches. Beautiful, stunning. You want some nice roseline sharks? Come and get these bad boys. Appreciate you guys. I'm looking forward to what we can bring in 2025. Happy New Year. And can't wait to see you guys come in and see what's new for next week.